So everybody wants to have a real quick financial revolution in their lives, but it's so hard to really make a connection. Let me explain. Alright, so Bitcoin is going up, Ethereum is changing whole industries, and new coins are appearing all the time. And there's a huge chance to make money, but there's also a lot of confusion. Charts that look like roller coaster and the fear of missing out or messing up. I have been there, lost in the world of crypto, wishing for someone to help me turn my confusion into a chance. But what if you could stop guessing and learn how to invest in crypto with a clear, personalized plan? And that's where Finelo comes in. Because it's a platform that has changed the game for over 1 million beginners by turning confusion into confidence. So are you ready to go from what's a blockchain to I have got this? Let's get started right away. Okay, so not everyone wants to learn everything on their own. It would be great to find an academy or platform that can help people learn the basics they need to start trading in the market in a way that is both effective and profitable. And there are already a lot of this kind of platform, but a lot of them don't offer structured knowledge and their training is not always the best. And that's why I want to tell you about the Finelo project. The team behind it has worked very hard to make an educational program that works for all type of investors. But what is the project then? Finelo is an interactive learning platform that has everything you need to learn. The platform had its own app that teaches you everything you need to know about trading step by step. It has also demo trading tools that let you practice what you have learned. The team made sure that their platform would be useful for all users because each beginners get a personalized learning plan before they start, which the team then uses to guide them for a few weeks. Users learn a lot about how to get their first investment results, study the cryptocurrency market, grow their wealth, and handle their money well as part of this plan. The Finelo team will also help you learn along the way. So if you have any questions, we can always ask them for help. Just so you know, I'm not the only one who has talked about how good this platform is. Over 20,000 people have written good reviews, and more than 1 million beginners have already used this training program. In fact, I really think it's a platform you can trust, but you can check for yourself. I have also put a link to the official Finelo website in the description below this video so you can easily find it. And of course, you can read reviews about the platform on the website and learn more about how its educational program works to get a general idea of the training options. And you can look at the course section of the site. There are classes there on 4 topics: investing, trading, making money without working, and managing your money. There are also separate lessons on cryptocurrencies, which is very important for us. There are a lot of lessons in each course that will help you understand all of things easily. Now I think we should start using Finelo. Before they can use the app, the team needs to make a learning plan based on what we invest and what we already know. The first step is to take a short test. There are questions about our trading experience, investment goals, and the plan we want to follow to grow our money. And then the final team will figure out what kind of traders we are based on our answers and then make a learning plan just for us. And after taking the test, the next step is to choose a plan that will let us train. There are 3 kinds of plan: 1 week, 4 week, and 12 week. The 4-week plan is the most popular because this amount of time is enough to learn everything you need to know about investing. And the best part, Finelo is currently running a sale on its all-paid plans, so now is a good time to buy them at a low price. You can pay for a plan with a bank card or with payment methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Okay, so we will go into the Finelo training app. After you buy a plan, there's a lot of parts that teach you how to do things step by step, give you trading tools, and let you practice. We can look over the plan made by the team in the home section. Every day we learn something new about investing that builds on what we already know. We can also put what we have learned to the test as we go through these lessons. To do this, the team made a simulator with a test account. We can buy different assets with fake money and see our portfolio grow with it. Finelo also has an AI-powered investment analysis tool that you can use. You can send charts to a virtual assistant who will then give you a full analysis of your trades. And as we move forward with the app, we will also create a trader rating. This rating takes into account our training progress and how we have done with our investments. This rating is available to all users, which is interesting. We can also see how we are doing compared to others. We can go to the leaderboard section to see if it's worked. And the last part is our profile, which is where all of our accomplishments on the platforms are kept. These are things I think you should do to get into the world of investing more quickly. Also, I want to remind you again, the link of the Finelo is in my description. Don't forget to check out below. Check them out and explore Finelo on your own to learn more about the benefits of educational programs. And there you have it, a full guide to getting started with Finelo, powerful platform to your crypto journey. You now have everything you need to turn your curiosity into real investing confidence, from personalized lesson to AI-driven insight and a risk-free simulator. You don't have to sit on sidelines anymore and wonder what could have been. This is your chance to take charge and make money in the exciting world of crypto. And again, in the description, you will find all the links you need: Finelo website, app download, and a special referral code that will give you extra benefits to help you get started. So don't forget to try it out, Finelo. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. and that subscribe button too.